Family and friends, I welcome you to the marriage celebration of two special people. You have very much looked forward to this special, your wedding day, and have gathered your family and friends around you. There's a real sense of happiness. Even before the bride was here, there was that buzz in the room, that anticipation. And even with accidents on the bypass and queue-backs on the M8, everyone made it here, and it's so great to see you all to this special celebration.
Now, as a proud father, talking about, I'm going to go already, because I believe there is a sweep out about when I burst into tears. But talking about Louise, be quite emotional. Louise, your mum and I are aware just how lucky we are to have such a wonderful daughter. It genuinely has been an absolute joy to watch you blossom into the beautiful, clever, compassionate, caring young lady you've become. I think every parent worries about their daughter finding the right person, one who will make her happy and look after her. But we believe Louise has found that man in Stevie.
I'm absolutely delighted, Stevie, that you married my sister. I think we've always had a good relationship. Both big jambos, and I'd say we're both big drinking enthusiasts, so we've always got on very well. The way you treat my sister, you've always had her best interests at heart. I think even last weekend when Stevie threw a surprise 30th for my sister, it just shows how much that she means to you, and I think throughout the family we've always seen that.
Now on to how the couple met. 10 years ago, both of them met working at Mackenzie's restaurant, and they started doing the odd shifts together, and the romance began to grow. So comes on to 23rd. I was actually up at Heather's. She had plumbing problems, so I was up there sorting her pipes, and there was as I'm there working away, I hear the knock at the door, and it's just dawned on me, Stephen's come up to ask for permission to marry Louise. I could hear lots of excited noises, and I'm thinking everything's gone well. Mostly Steve being Steve, he's been delighted, rushed out the door, slammed the door, and the letterbox fell off. I've soon grown to know Stephen, and he's definitely a guy that has some big, bold statements out there. He never minces his words. But the more you get to know him, you obviously know that he's got an absolute heart of gold, and he's the type of guy that will do absolutely anything for anyone.
Now on to my stunning, beautiful wife, Mrs. Graham. I love you. I've known you were the one since I was your taxi driver, giving you a lift every night back from Mackenzie's 10 years ago. We were just friends then, but eventually I wore you down. You're the most amazing woman I've ever met. Most caring, selfless human being. I mean, this has been said about 4 times today, but it's true. I love how much you value family, and I can't wait if we're lucky enough to start a family, because you'll be the most amazing woman. You are the most amazing human being I've ever met, who annoys the crap out of me every single day of my life. I keep coming back for more though. I promise I'll try to be the best husband I can be. But please, less candles in the house.